Name 3 brands of water.
Water, Mountain Dew. Come on, in the chop. Mountain Dew, right?
We're in the lab, we're having fun. Call up your friends and tell them that another video's done. We're in the lab, making you proud. If you're ready for adventure, let me hear you shout. Labs out loud, out loud, out loud, out loud. It's labs out loud.
Hey Lab Squad! Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shade.
Rutan. I'm Chantel. It's Colette.
It's Marjay.
And Rochelle.
So guys, today we'll be doing a fun challenge. I am not in this game, guys, because I'm too competitive, so I'll be the host. So our competitors, they will have to name 3 things in 5 seconds. So it's a race against the clock, and we're going to decide who goes against who. Before we begin though, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
So decide who goes first. I have 1 to 5 written on the paper. You guys come and choose a number. Yes. Wait. Them almost see it. Yeah. So wait, me no see. Okay, good. Look at the number first. Who is number 1? Our number begins.
You can't see it. Oh, wait there.
What is it?
Number 5. 5.
Yes. So now we'll be having 1 versus 2. Let's go. So we have 5 seconds on the clock. Oh, who go first? Rock, paper, scissors. Someone who asks a question. You go rock,
Rock,
paper,
scissors.
shoot. That's it.
Whichever one you want.
Yeah, but me I show the option them rock,
Rock,
paper, scissors.
And then you pick any one.
And then you say shoot.
You do this first. You know the rock.
Alright, come.
Ready, steady, go. Rock, paper, scissors.
Come on, don't embarrass. Come again. Rock, paper, scissors. Get it up here.
Alright, come on.
So you never see nobody play. I always see, but I have never played it. I just rock.
So ready? Guys, we are learning. Rock, paper, scissors. No, you just keep rock, paper, scissors, shoot. That's when you choose.
Oh.
You choose, no, you don't have to choose the scissors.
Okay.
You can't even stay to the rock if you want. But yeah,
Yeah.
go ahead.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Seriously? Go again.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah, she cover your rock. She cover your rock.
First, no.
So,
She starts.
alright, call it.
Alright.
So you'll get in the first question.
Marvelous.
What if I question Marvin now? Ready? Oh, I'm gonna start it after I'm read the first question.
Wait.
You can give one example.
Yeah, shall be your example. Ready, steady, go. Name 3 things you can wear on your head.
Hat, socks, kerchief. You
Colette, you wear socks?
You put socks on baby head.
Socks. Hey, what size socks them now?
Oh, she must have been cake man with the socks.
Remember some me eyes small in a
Colette, what size socks?
head.
Anyway, she get the point. She get the point. Just so you know, if you have to list all 3 things to get the point. The first person that gets 3 strikes, Chantel still no.
You know the extra trend?
Chantel still not agree with that. Socks. Anyway, the first person that gets 3 strikes, they are out. Alright. Chantel. Oh, me keep on press this. Somebody needs to do this because me keep on press it when I do 5 seconds. Ready, steady, go.
Name 3 things related to Christmas.
Jingle Bell Christmas cake cereal.
Yeah! Good thing. Colette, name 3 amphibians.
Lizard, frog, toad.
Lizard are amphibians.
What? Me know toad, frog, but the other one.
You have more of them. You have tadpole, you have all them.
But tadpole no baby frog.
Frog and toad no same thing.
No, frog and toad are two
I told
different
the
species.
frog species, but the tadpole and the baby frog.
Lizard, unless the water
But
lizard.
the lizard are
Reptile. You're not out yet?
You have 2 more.
No, you're not out yet.
2 more, you just get your first strike. Alright, so now we're over to Chantel. Name 3 STDs.
Hepatitis, HIV, gonorrhea.
Correct? Within the time. Alright. Colette, name 3 things that start with the letter B.
Book, ball, bag. That come off of
Them
the
ready.
song.
Feel like school challenge
ready.
quiz. Alright, Chantel. Name 3 things that are blue.
The sea ball.
The sea ball. That should be the sea ball. The sea ball. Which ball?
Any ball can football.
Anyway, she never done. So you're at 1 strike. Colette is at 1 strike. Colette. Name 3 brands of water.
Water, Mountain Dew.
Time up. One juice.
Come on, in the chop.
Water.
Dew. I don't want to do what you want to say. No, Mountain Peak. And catch it big.
I said one.
2 strikes. Colette is at 2
Catch it
strikes.
big when you want to say. No, but
That's okay, darling. Colette is at
Try such a
3. So she have 1 more strike to do. Chantel is at 1. Chantel, name 3 types of fish.
parrot, squid, and that's what you said.
Squid. Squid and a fish. Lionfish. Kingfish.
Oh, shit.
Snapper.
Goldfish.
Goldfish. Banga. 2 strikes, guys. This is getting very heated. One I wanna will be out. Why? Colette,
Hey.
name 3 fruits that are red.
You have strawberry, cherry, and raspberry.
Alright, tell Gary. It's burgundy-ish, but you know, probably the one that never ripe good. We'll get the point.
Oh boy.
Chantel, name 3 fruits that start with the letter B.
Banana, blueberry.
Blackberry.
That's a breadfruit.
And breadfruit are coming up in mind, you know?
Breadfruit is a fruit.
Them say seed in them.
It's a fruit.
Anyway.
It's a fruit.
Alright guys, so Chantel is out. Thank you for participating. Number 3, you're up against the mighty Colette. Alright.
So I should done that.
Alright guys, so now we have the mighty Colette versus the what? The Margie. Let us go. Who do I start with? Rock, paper, scissors. Best 2 out of 3.
Bam, 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 bam. 2 out of 3. 1, 2, 3. Rock, paper. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Call it. Yeah, one. Aye, there's 2 out of 3. 2 years ago. Way past 3. Come again. Ready, steady, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You win. So 1 more now. The last person, anybody who win this win. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Margie, you want to go first.
Colette can't go on.
Colette, you used to this now, Colette. You ready?
Alright, I'm ready.
Alright, Colette. Name 3 Disney movie.
You have Anna Montana, Alice in Wonderland, and Cinderella.
Anna Montana. Oh, the movie.
Yeah, the movie.
Them did have a movie.
Yeah.
Oh, let's stop this. Okay,
I never watch it.
she gets it.
You get it, Colette. I get it. Margie. Ready? Name 3 videos on the channel.
Reggae fart. Not reggae fart. Oh, Jesus. STDs, what?
What's the question?
Channel can't do that. No,
Wait,
check
what
that
question? What
out.
question?
Name 3 videos on the channel.
Yes!
On her channel.
So you don't know more than 3 video bills?
What we call them? Them name.
Care Proud.
What?
Water. What? Yes, so you talk about reggae fans. Me did go reggae fans.
Next, me don't want.
Come
Me
on.
feel like no, them gonna feel like say me not watch it.
But you don't know say you have to watch it.
Yeah, because you never
You get money. The challenge is 5 seconds. No seconds. So, Colette. Name 3 rivers in Jamaica.
You have Roaring River, Black River, Rio Grande, and
That's 3. Me no want go again.
Alright, Colette. That's right. Ready, steady, go. Margie, name 3 things that are yellow.
The sun, sunflower, and paint. Yellow paint.
Alright. Colette, name 3 things in a lab.
you have microscope, you have blood, and you have machine.
Obviously, she gonna know that you work in a lab.
That's why I did not ask you eat boo boo. You did what I asked you then. No, cause everybody else got in a lab, you know, but me I say, I never ask she that because they would have been unfair. She a cause. You didn't dip on the channel. You know 3 video where coming here. Come here.
Margie, name 3 politicians.
Alicia, Andrew Ones, and Peter Phillips.
You've never retired.
Alicia is still a politician.
Colette, name 3 hospitals in Jamaica.
Honor Original, KPH, and Jubilee.
Yeah, Colette. That's a girl, a bright girl, you know. I saw on that time they just no stop, but that's just a girl there, you know.
No, me did pause.
Oh, alright. Ready, steady, go. Margie, name 3 brands of car.
Audi, BMW, and Benz.
So Jay said Audi, Shine. You come back with the Audi. Alright. Colette, name 3 bones.
You have the femur, the tarsus, and you have the ulna.
The ulna.
Ulna.
You know what me at top, boy.
There's so many
Sure.
persons for real.
And then me a
It's the.
She disqualified.
That's right.
Right. Colette, don't take a strike, Uncle. You're proud of syrup. Striker. How much strike she have? 1 strike. How much she have? 1 strike?
Marcia, do you have one?
2 strike.
Girl,
She got the channel.
Channel.
Alright. Margie, name 3 Spanish countries.
Puerto Rico, Cuba, and Hispaniola.
The time did start?
Yeah.
Make sure that is correct. Colette, name 3 comedy movies.
Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, Martin Lawrence, and Steve Harvey Show.
Those are not movies.
Martin Lawrence, which movie is Martin?
Fresh Prince is not a movie.
It's a series.
Oh, a series. Oh,
Two
and then
strikes.
Two strikes.
2
Oh,
strikes. 2 strikes.
oh.
That was gonna be.
Me only know me myself me watching at the day.
That was gonna be your question and name 3 comedy this series, but imagine you get your strike right. So she had 2 strike.
Come, Margie, come get your next
Margie,
strike.
name 3 things you can lick.
Icicle, ice cream.
Icicle, ice, and ice cream.
Yes.
Colette, name 3 things you can suck.
Lollipop, bun, sweetie.
Come on.
Ding, 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 ding. Ah, sweetie, and it's treaty. Number 4. Guys, Colette did last long. Margie came and defeated her. Now we have number 4 versus number 3.
Sure.
Alright. Who is going first? Rock, paper, scissors. Best 2 out of 3. Quick and fast.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alright, next one. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alright. Are you doing the first one? Oh, 1 more. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I didn't know where they go with. Oh, Sha. You want to go first? You want to go first? That's different. I like the confidence. Let us go. Ruth Ann, Name 3 things you can brush.
Here. I don't know.
Alright. So that is one strike for
Easy.
Rutan.
Soon.
No matter with that.
Come on.
Margie, name 3 words that start with O.
Orange, octopus, Onopolis.
What is the definition? Definition. Yeah?
What place?
What place? What? What place name?
You come in one cartoon.
Alright, you accept your strike? One strike. That round I got quick and fast. Rutan, name 3 rodents.
Roach, rat, lizard.
What is a lizard?
Reptile.
2 strikes? Hey, rodent lizard, where you go? Alright. Margie, name 3 phobias.
You make a call it? The fear of heights, the fear.
Them do not have phobia at the end of them. Arachnophobia, hydrophobia.
You never classify.
2 strikes. Guys, this match is down to the bone. Who next come out shall be going up against the mighty Rashad.
Don't do it. I'm good enough to you.
Rutan, name 3 words that start with the letter I.
Ink, icicle, igloo.
Alright. Margie, name 3 holidays.
Christmas, Easter, and July 3rd.
A 4th. So when you celebrate July 3rd.
I want to celebrate.
Woo! Confidence, buck away, little girl. Alright, guys. Now we're in our final round. We'll be having Ruthan versus Rochelle. It's a battle of the R's up in here. Comment down below who you think I'll win.
I'm not going to.
Rock, paper, scissors, let's go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alright? One more. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Hold on, one more. Ready, steady, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alright.
Ready, steady, go. Ruthan, name 3 types of milk. Almond milk, cream milk, whole milk. Anyways, Rochelle, what strike? Rochelle, name 3 animals that make milk.
Cow, goat, sheep.
Yay!
That's telling people that we love goat milk.
Ruthan, name 3 currencies.
Euro, yen, and pesos.
Yes, yeah, girl, you could sell local like JMD, pounds, and US international people you have. Anyways, Rochelle, name 3 Jamaican female artists.
Shensia, Jada Kingdom, Spice.
Alright, Rutan, name 3 Jamaican male artists.
Addy, Vibes Cartel, Popcorn, Massacre.
Alright, Rochelle, name 3 mathematical symbols.
What they call that? Pi? No more.
Plus, minus, divide.
You don't remember that with the simple stuff. Then you want so like you know something.
How much strikes are there 2? Are you the one?
2 strike me there? How many reach 2 strike?
I want you there.
I 1 strike me there out of order and bright.
I want one to choose.
The first question you asked me is the female artist and the something there. What the other one? The animal will make it out of order.
I want one to choose.
One?
That's why you need to keep me something.
Alright, Rutan.
Wait.
Ruthan, name 3 musical instruments.
Violin, keyboard, drum.
Alright. Rochelle, name 3 types of clouds.
White, black, and blue.
Rochelle. Stratos.
I don't remember them stuff.
Alright. Strike two. Referee says strike two.
Don't stress me.
Ruthan.
You know, I'm gonna stop them something in the school.
Ruthan. Hold on, Rochelle.
In that
In that 18?
You never did that in university?
So that's just 4 years.
No, more than that. Because I never did that in sciences.
A business, the blood ball cloud.
Integrated science at a grade 8.
In geography.
No, I never did that.
Well, Melissa, I never get a resume before. Let us go. Rutan, name 3 airports in Jamaica. 3? Yes. No, I know what I say.
We don't know the third one.
Rutan start.
Busta man, me not know girl.
Busta man.
Drum.
Ian Fleming here for about 5 hours. So we all be flow.
You know, so the most common one.
No, but before she come here, you need some hard questions.
It's alright, no, I'm a question.
Rochelle, name 3 Dora characters.
Boots, Dora, and Swiper, no. Swiper the facts.
Swiper. Rutan, name 3 SpongeBob characters.
SpongeBob, Mr. Krabs, Patrick.
Alright, your time up. No girl, so you're out.
I won.
Alright guys, so technically
Although I don't know why I'm winning, but because I one person.
that's what I mean. I say you should play against somebody else. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. I know you guys miss me participating, but you know sometimes you have to be a little sick, you know? You know I mean that we know a while ago.
But I go against you a while ago still.
Actually, let me ask a question.
Alright, go ask question.
Like feel like fun.
See, I'll go.
This is the last round.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
One not already. Oh, you win 2 times.
Oh, my team. I'm here to rock, paper, scissors. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna look a bonus round phone. You know, I forget a little bit in the fun.
Oh, we look around.
Yeah.
Alright, name 3 brands of phone.
Apple iPhone. Apple Android. What you say? What you say?
3 brands of phone.
Right, brand me the like the Hawaii and the
Samsung, Huawei, and iPhone.
Guys, me didn't used to ask you the questions. Go on, Rochelle. You're
Try.
nobody right to make it official.
One.
Alright, Rochelle. Name 3 types of teeth. Teeth.
What them?
Teeth.
You start teeth?
What them call it again? The time.
Okay. Molar, premolar, incisors, wisdom.
So can I ask one question there? Anything related to school?
Just chill, man. Ready?
And I like I get no points.
Alright. Name 3 types of doctors.
Medical doctor, orthopedic doctor, and midwifery doctor.
Midwifery nurse.
No, yeah, the doctor them specialize in the mid something there.
Obstetrician.
Obstetrician.
Thank you, Colin.
So the type of one doctor?
And a midwifery nurse.
It's not nurse. You should have the doctor one day.
But I say name, and I say the name.
2 straight next.
Yeah, I play fair. I don't mean to get nothing yet still.
Alright.
Go look it. Go look it.
Name 3 types of shoes.
Same thing. Clocks. You're a pastor. You have your pastor. Anna.
And what? Anna. My slipper's name.
From doctor to shoes. Before you ask her 3 type of liar or something, come, you try to give me one shoe something.
What you mean? I think nobody asked related questions when you did that.
You should have joined me and make it to be able to people laugh.
Alright, Shadi. Name 3 types of dogs.
Shih Tzu, Poodle, and German Shepherd. Big up Max, my Shih Tzu.
Rochelle, name 3 types of laptop.
I know them, I know that is what I say.
Apple. Done.
MacBook.
The H one
me that try remember.
And Dell and
Lenovo.
Oh wow, when you listen? That 2 strike?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm there one strike. Transfer badly.
Alright, Shade. Name 3 parishes in Jamaica.
Kingston, Clarendon and St. Mary.
That was hard.
But I'm going to remember Manchester and parish. But if you say something else just in case.
Alright, Rochelle. Name 3 types of sea in our world.
Sea in our world. Caribbean Sea. What do you want the name? Pacific Ocean.
I won! Dead Sea.
Indian Sea.
Make it just start.
Anyway, guys, now we have the official winner. That look default to the. Anyway, guys, so we can officially close this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.